So this is part of the Get Messy May challenge. It's a junk journaling challenge asking you to get messy. And I'm going to use a paint swiping technique. I do want to play along with the challenge this month, but I don't have a lot of time, and acrylic paint swiping is really fast. And it's random and fun, and I really enjoy it. So I'm taking some inexpensive craft paint and a card that came in some junk mail, and I put the craft paint down and I am just swiping it across my pages. The page on the left is just normal copy paper that happens to be a color, and the page on the right is a little bit heavier cardstock that I've treated with gesso in advance. And I have to say that the gessoed paper, the paint stays wet just a little bit longer and it glides smoothly across the page. So I would definitely recommend a little gesso if you want to try this. The colors stay vibrant and it's just a really nice effect. Now that I've applied the paint, I'm going to put on some photos that I've printed on paper. These are not on photo stock, it's just regular paper. Of my craft room before and after, because the challenge that I'm addressing is number 8, which is mess. So I have my craft room before photo and my craft room after photo. And what I did to clean up my craft room, because I had such a wide variety of found containers, was use some consistent labeling across all the containers. And it's amazing how that made my 13 or 14 different kinds of containers look like a coordinated, decorated space. So I thought that was an appropriate thing to journal for a challenge called mess, because my craft space is often messy. I do think, though, that if you try to keep it tidy, it does help you be more creative, because you spend so much less time looking for things or cleaning up, and you get to spend more time on your crafty endeavors. And I know we're all pressed for time. So I am using some captions that I trimmed out of magazines that seemed appropriate for this particular event in my life, and just have a lot of fun with the paint swiping. So I hope you'll give it a try. You can use any type of card. I used a little piece of cardstock that came in some junk mail, but a used up gift card would be fine. Or if you get one of those, I don't know, Geico cards or AAA cards in a piece of junk mail, those are ideal. They are obviously going to end up in the trash no matter what you do, but you could also use a palette or scraper if you don't happen to have a handy piece of junk mail. I do also have a short video on labeling your craft room if you're interested in that process, or if you want to visit my blog, you can download my labels if you don't want to make your own. That's papercraftcrystal.com. I've got those as PDF files that you can download and print for yourself. If you'd like to play along with the Get Messy May challenge, I'm going to put the challenges in a PDF at the end of this video so that you can see what's coming up. I am a little bit behind since I'm on number 8, which is mess. But I think it's a fun challenge to keep you engaged in doing something crafty every day. Thanks for joining me today.